Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. I have had extreme active, very big acne ever since during my teenage. This was my skin before I started caring for it and doing a skincare actually, and this is my skin right now. I will not say that I have extremely glass skin, acne clear skin I wouldn't say, but I have had my acne journey. Whatever skincare guide that I'm going to be sharing today, it's all that I've learned through this journey. If at all you're watching this video, then probably you're planning to start a skincare for yourself. Please don't expect immediate results. It is going to take a lot of time, but for sure you are going to see results. But it's just that you have to have patience in this journey. My skin is combination skin with acne prone skin. I do have a lot of open pores. Yeah, you can see sometimes when my skin gets extremely dry, I get this scutty red spots, and yeah, I do still have few acne marks. This side it's almost getting clear. I'm still on the process of achieving that healthy skin, but here I am to just share few things that I learned in this journey so that you begin your journey without any hiccups. So let's start our skincare guide. A basic skincare that I personally think is very necessary is face wash, toner, serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. It might seem like, oh my god, 5 steps, but once you begin, you'll just get so used to it that you'll probably start layering even more. So first, let me help you understand what type of skin type you are. So there are 3 types of skin types. So one is oily skin, one is dry skin, one is combination skin. Oily skin and combination skin mostly have acne prone skin, but even if you are a dry skin person and if you have acne prone skin, then also I'm going to help you out. What is oily skin? If you are a person who has extreme oil, at any point of day, if you take a tissue, dry tissue, and if you just pat it over here, and you can see that your tissue is slightly kind of greasy, then you have oily skin. Next, if you take a very dry tissue and you just tap only over here, on your nose and over here, and rest of the areas on your skin are dry, then you have combination skin. If your entire skin is always dry, then you have dry skin. Acne prone skin is just that you have large open pores, you have extremely sensitive skin, and anytime any acne can pop up on your skin. So now that you have understood what kind of skin type you are, now I'm going to talk about each category, each face wash, which toners, then serums, moisturizers, sunscreen. I'm going to talk about everything. First one is face wash. If you are an oily skin person or combination skin person or acne prone skin person, then I have 3 options of face wash that you can choose from. I have a combination skin myself and I use simple face wash. I've been using this from quite a while, from almost 7 months I can say. I would not say that I've never tried other face wash, but personally I just felt this simple face wash worked far better for my skin because it's very gentle and it does not hurt your skin barriers. It won't affect your pH level of your skin. The 3 face washes that you can consider that I have personally used and I feel that even you can consider are simple face wash, Cosrx gel cleanser, CeraVe and Neutrogena. I am going to be giving 3 options for each category, but I just felt face wash it's the first step, so I just wanted to give just another extra option. I would say Neutrogena and CeraVe are a little on the expensive side, but if you are trying to see for affordable and budget friendly face washes, then I think you can consider Simple or Cosrx. Personally, I've been using Simple, so I think you can go for Simple face wash. If you're an oily skin person, combination skin or acne prone skin, I think you should consider using gel cleanser because they're very lightweight and you also make sure they don't affect your skin barriers or do not disturb your pH level of your skin. Let's talk about dry skin person. If you're a dry skin person, then I think you should be considering cream-based cleansers. These not only help you get rid of dirt, it will also help you hydrate your skin and keep your skin nourished. Because you have extremely dry skin, if you use gel based or any harsh, then it might just end up giving your skin even more dry. If you are a dry skin or a normal skin person, then these are the 3 face washes that you can consider. First one is the Cosrx brand's moisturizing face wash, Dermaco and Cetaphil. I think Cetaphil I have seen a lot of people use, especially dry skin. Even doctors recommend Cetaphil face washes. So I think if you're a dry skin person, then you can start off with Cetaphil. Again, in face cleanser, there are also 2 other extra things that might be a little confused about. One is exfoliating cleansers and one is oil cleansers. So exfoliating cleansers are for oily or combination or acne prone skin types, and these exfoliating cleansers you're not supposed to use it every day. Like if you're using scrubs or any exfoliating cleansers every day, then please stop it. You are just hurting your skin barrier and it's just going to make your skin even worse. Exfoliating face washes or cleansers you should use only 2 or maximum 3 times a week. Oil cleansers are for all skin types. Mainly oil cleansers you should be using when you have extreme dirt, if you have applied makeup, or or you want to do like an oil plug thing, you can use oil cleansers. But again, this oil cleansers, especially for oily skin type, combination skin type or acne prone skin, please use it just once a week. And if you're a dry skin, you can maximum use it like 2 to 3, but not more than that. Now that we are done with face wash, next step is toner. Toner, basically the work that toner does is that when you wash your face, all the pores on your face opens up. So toners is like the first layer that you're going to apply on your skin. Toners are going to close your pores. Products that you're going to layer later, it will help you not clogging your pore. I'm just going to divide the toner part into 2 for oily combination acne prone skin and for dry skin. If you're an oily combination or acne prone skin, then these are the 3 toners that you should consider. Mainly the toner that you are supposed to keep in mind are if it has niacinamide or actives, or just if you want to dampen your skin. So in that way you can consider choosing your toners. First option that I have for you is plum niacinamide. Second one is plum green tea, and just plum rose water, any rose water, because rose water also helps you maintain your pH level of your skin. Or you can just prepare that at your home. If you don't want to spend on toners, then you can just prepare rose water at home. You could also prepare rice water, where you soak rice in water overnight with 1 capsule of vitamin E in it. Just spray it on your face. You could also consider making a DIY toner at home. I've been using a mix of rose water and plum green tea as my toner every day. It is very light, and I'm actually mixing it because I just felt green tea, just using plum's green tea as an individual product, is a little strong for my sensitive skin, and I just had this tingling feeling on my skin. So I just kind of mixed rose water and green tea. We are done with oily skin. Let's talk about dry skin toners. Dry skin people, for toners, I have simple toner and rose water. Rose water can be used by any skin type. It's mostly beneficial for anybody. So now that we have done with toners, next step, let's move on to serums. So just a small reminder, I am not sponsored by any brands. This is just me sharing whatever products that I am familiar with and I feel it's safe to use on your skin. Those products I'm sharing, and if at all you want to buy these products, I would put all the links in the description box below. You can go and check them out. This is not a sponsored video. If at all you're worried I'm talking or focusing on any particular brand. Okay, now let's talk about serums. You might have heard lots of active ingredients that people are talking about, like niacinamide, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid. There are a lot of ingredients that are going around, but please understand what your skin needs and then choose your serums. So I'm going to break it down and make it easy for you to know which serum your skin is in need of. If you have acne prone skin, then you should consider using niacinamide in your skincare. Start off with just 5% and use maximum of 10%. Don't go above it, otherwise you will just end up hurting your skin barriers. And you can use niacinamide twice a day, morning and AM and in your PM routine. If you have extremely dull skin, you have done a lot but your skin is just not happy and it's very dull, it's looking very gloomy, then you should consider using vitamin C serums. If you're somebody who has extremely dry skin, then you should consider using hyaluronic serum in your skincare. If you feel your skin is aging a lot, you have like saggy wrinkles and all, and you're very scared, you should consider using retinol or peptides in your skincare routine. Last but not the least, if you have extreme blackheads, whiteheads and open pores, then you should consider using salicylic acid in your skincare. I'm not going to go for each active serum, I'm not going to go brand wise, but in general, for any of these serums that I've spoken about, if you want to start using, then I think you can consider brands like Minimalist, The Ordinary and Plum as well. I've been using niacinamide serum for a very long time. I started using niacinamide from The Ordinary. Now I'm using Plum because it also has rice water. I know personally that rice water actually suits very well to my skin. Now that you know which face wash to use, which toner to use and which serum to go to, next let's move on to moisturizers. Again, for moisturizers, I'm just going to divide it into two parts. For oily, combination, acne prone skin, and for dry skin. First, for oily skin people, combination skin, acne prone skin, like as said in face wash, you're supposed to use gel based cleansers. Even in moisturizers, I feel you should consider using gel moisturizers than cream based. Gel are very light and it can get absorbed into your skin very quickly, whereas cream is very heavy and it is going to clog your pores if you are an oily skin person. So here are few of my recommendations or that I have used moisturizers personally. I actually have more than 3 options for you. First one is Aqualogica's gel moisturizer. Second one is Neutrogena's moisturizer. Third is Sebamed. Fourth is Simple. And last is Emolin. I've been using Emolin. It's a pharmacy-based moisturizer that I think you can consider. I've used Simple and Sebamed. These both actually worked very well. But I tried Emolin once and I just got used to it. The budget wise, I feel Emolin works better. It comes in this big tube and lasts up to almost 3 to 4 months for me personally, though I use it both AM and PM. Next, for dry skin people, if you're a dry skin person, then I think you should consider using cream based moisturizer because your skin is always dehydrated and cream moisturizers are a little heavy. So when you apply cream moisturizer, it also helps your skin barriers to be hydrated very well. So here are few of my recommendations for you. First one is Cetaphil moisturizer. Second one is Sebamed. Third one is CeraVe. CeraVe is a little on the expensive side, but you could also consider using Emolin. I know I said it for oily skin person, but I think you can also consider using it because it's a pharmacy based one. It actually just feel Emolin, though it's a little pharmacy based compared to other like brand, I feel Emolin actually works very well. Last step of the skincare routine is sunscreen. Sunscreen has been like a game changer in my skincare routine. I also did few mistakes of using very wrong and the finish. For acne skin, combination skin and oily skin, you should consider using gel based or matte finish sunscreens. Sunscreen basically just not only protects your skin from UV, but it also helps you healing your acne marks. Like nobody actually said this to me, but personally I observed and it somehow actually worked and helped me heal my acne marks and scars better. Here are few of my recommendations for all those oily combination acne prone skin people. First one is Aqualogica sunscreen. This is my favorite and I've been using for a while. These are very lightweight and it's like gel finish, so it gets very absorbed into your skin. It does not at all feel heavy on your skin. Second one is Fix Shadow Gel. There are two sunscreens that you get from Fix Shadow. One is gel based and one is cream based. You can choose gel based. Again, under that you have SPF 30 and SPF 50, so you can consider according to the weather. Like if it's winter or if you're just at home, you can just go with 30, but if it's summer and you're an outdoor person, then I think you should consider using SPF 50. Next option for you is Deconstruct. I've not really used Deconstruct like on an everyday basis, but I've just tried Deconstruct and I just feel okay, it's lightweight. Let's move on to dry skin people. You should, as I said, for other like moisturizers and face wash, you should consider using cream base. Then the layering of your products sit well and it was going to help your skin. I have options. Again, Fix Shadow that I had recommended for oily skin people, but you should consider using Fix Shadow cream based. Second option is Aqualogica. I know I said it for oily skin, but I think you can consider, it's like a mix of cream plus gel, so you can apply layers if at all you feel it's not going to be enough. Another option is Undry sunscreen. I know not much people talk about it, but I just feel as a brand it's very good and pretty sure you will like it. So that's it for the skincare guide. I really hope this was very helpful for you. If you're a beginner and you're just confused of what all you need in your skincare routine, or which all products should you consider, which all brands you should consider, or which product base should you use like gel, cream, I hope all of these questions of yours I have answered, and if at all you're still confused, then please do comment below and let me know what else help do you need to start your skincare. It will surely help you out. If at all you are starting right now, let me tell you, you are not late on this. Whenever you're starting this, you are starting at the right time. You are never late on this. Actually, you will be overwhelmed like, I'm actually doing skincare but it's not working, I'm not able to see the results. As I said, please have patience. You are going to see results. So I just hope you start your skincare routine today. all the best. I hope you achieve all your skincare goals in this 2024 year or whenever you're watching this. That's it for today's video. Hope you found this helpful, and if at all you like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. Even after watching this video, if you are really confused, I still don't know what to do about my skin, then please go visit a doctor. They will surely help you out, and please trying to understand what skin type you are and what your skin actually needs. So that I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.